Welcome to G Auntie's Kitchen. I have here banga cookies. So let me go through the ingredients that we need. Before I start, I quickly want to mention that do not sieve the flour. It should be dense like this. I've got here margarine, the egg, baking powder and baking soda, salt, the flavor, coconuts, cornflakes, brown and white sugar, oatmeal, and finally the flour. I'm mixing in this order: margarine, white sugar, brown sugar. I am creaming this together. Beat the egg and add to the mixture. You could use a whisk, but I'm not using. I'm going to add the flavor. I'm using almond flavor. You could use vanilla. The next thing to add is baking powder, baking soda, and the salt. So I'll just pour it inside and mix. Next is flour and oatmeal. I'm not going to overmix this, so I'll add in the cornflakes right now. Finally, the coconuts. I am putting it into a paper-lined baking tray by spoonfuls. What the recipe calls for is to roll it into a ball. So roll it into a ball like this. I'm going to do it both ways and I'll see the difference between the rolled one and the unrolled one. I'm almost through with the unrolled one, so that's the final piece. So I'm pressing with a spoon. You could use a glass, a cup. This I should have put this in flour, but let's see what I'll do with the rolled one. I have dipped the spoon in flour and makes it easier to come out. This is ready to be put into a preheated oven. So I'll put it into the oven right now. What I always do is when I'm preheating the oven is at the highest. So right now just reduce the heat. That's it.